There's no way to do this from a flattering angle, so I'm just going to do it this way. Here's my brand new DC panel. And oh shit, it's already missing a part. So what happened? Let me point you in. There is my brand new panel, my DC panel. Got Captain Ron protecting us. We didn't break it. So what happened was the manufacturers have it calibrated wrong. As I understand it, the fuel senders from France that are in our diesel tanks, those send out 3 ohms, and that panel is supposed to read it. They send out 3 ohms when they're empty. And for whatever reason, the panel here, driver panel, which is definitely not built in France, had it calibrating to 2 ohms. Our marine electrician caught it and they tried calibrating it and they said, just send us the panel. So this panel is missing. We can still sail. We can't do big sails because I don't know how much my batteries are charging. I don't know how much water is in my tank. I don't know how much fuel I have, because those are the 3 things that this panel was telling me. We can still do day sails, and we're planning on doing some more day sails just to make sure that we don't get rusty again.